Hey my friends, welcome back. One of these rare cloudy days in the Valley of the Sun. I guess we have the sun peeking out now. Chance of rain. Rained last night too. Anyway, we just got back off the mountain, and I'm sure you remember Wendy from Wendy and her Coroplast camper that we met last year, living on the mountain. Well, she's got some updates to her Coroplast camper, and so she's gonna show us those updates. Also, she mentioned to me off camera that she is interested in finding a van. Instead of living in her Coroplast camper, she wants a van, one that's already a camper van. She doesn't have much money, so a well-used cargo van that that runs decent. She would definitely be interested in that if anybody knows of one. And you can just leave me a message. But yeah, she wants to. She would like to have more mobility and all her stuff in the van. So anyway, here we are up in the mountain. Hey you guys, I am camping up in the mountain here, and look who is camped down the hill from me. Wendy. How you doing, Wendy?
All right.
She says she's got some updates on her camper. So I'm gonna let her give you a tour of her camper. Okay, Wendy just crawled in there. Here she's. Wendy's gonna give you a tour.
Alrighty, so I put in some bins for my under things because I didn't like digging in the boxes, and I put in a big old house fan. It's one of them, 12-inch fans.
Looks like.
Then I have a desk I put in. I have storage underneath of stuff that I reach for all day long, and my computer. Then I have 2 closed bins for the stuff I only have to dig out once a day. And then I have lots of drawers for like command hooks. They hook very well, and they hold things up. They hold my glasses. Then I have my batteries and things. And then I put in a kitchen galley type thing. My dad was a pilot, so I thought it was kind of neat to have a galley, and that's also why the overhead lights are going overhead, because it resembles an airplane. And I have my food stash. I only need emergency food supplies. All my hot water comes from that when I have electricity. Otherwise, I use a propane. And I put silverware and stuff in my drawers. I got tired of digging for things, so I went and got drawers. And I think that's about it. I decided I couldn't paint the sides of the inside because with color on the walls it gets a little claustrophobic. So as long as it's white, it's nice and spacey. And there's my fancy string curtain, and I think that's it.
Okay, good job. From what I could do, that was a good job. But here's her.
I didn't even do the underneath though. There's stuff under there too.
Well, do you want to whip around
No.
there? Okay, yeah. Anyway, Wendy's volunteering at this camp where they have kids. It's down the hill a little farther here, and these couple other volunteers here. So that's pretty cool. But anyway, thanks a lot, you guys. Appreciate every single one of you. God bless, and give us a like and a subscribe. What do you think Wendy? Leave some comments if you think Wendy should start her own YouTube channel. I think she should. Anyway, God bless. Thanks, you guys. Subscribe. Bye.